So here we go. I just got my UPS of what I believe is my Apple iPad from Shenzhen, China, and I'm gonna unbox it because that's what all the cool people do. And I'm trying to unbox it with one hand because my other hand's holding the camera. And so I've got a good knife, sharp knife. Hopefully I don't do any engraving on my iPad 2.7, but it's in a box inside the box, so it should be okay, I hope. And there it is, the iPad. Better not be an iPad 1. So it looks like an iPad 1. And it's really in there. And I can't get it out. Other unboxings go better than this. So I'm gonna have to cut into the box like this. There. Okay, so it's unboxed, and there it is.